Good morning. City Rail Booking Office. How can I help?
Hello. I would like to book a return ticket for next week.
Certainly. Where would you like to travel to?
I need to go to Brighton, please.
Brighton. Is that for a day trip or an overnight stay?
Just a day trip.
What date would you like to travel?
The 18th of June.
The 18th of June. There is a train at 9:15.
That sounds good.
Let me check. Sorry, that train is already full. The next available train leaves at 9:45.
9:45, so 9:45?
Yes, 9:45. Would you like to come back in the afternoon or evening?
Around 5 o'clock if possible.
There is a return train at 16:50, but it is more expensive. The off-peak return leaves at 17:20.
I will take the off-peak return at 17:20.
Fine. The ticket type is off-peak return.
Which platform does the morning train leave from?
It usually leaves from platform 5, but because of engineering work next week, it will leave from platform 6.
Platform 6. Thank you.
The normal price is £42. Do you have a rail card?
Yes, I have a student rail card.
With the rail card, the total price is £38.
£38. That is fine.
May I take your surname?
Khan.
Is that C-A-N?
No, Khan. Khan.
Thank you. And your phone number?
It is 07941 630 218.
Let me repeat that. 07941 630 218.
Yes, that is correct.
Your booking reference is T4827.
T4827?
Correct. Please collect your ticket at least 20 minutes before departure.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Airport cars. How can I help?
Hello. I need to book a taxi to the airport.
Certainly. What date is the booking for?
The 22nd of July.
The 22nd of July. What time would you like the taxi to pick you up?
I was thinking 10 to 7 in the morning.
What time is your flight?
It leaves at 9:05.
For an international flight, 6:50 may be a little late. I recommend 6:30 instead.
All right, please book it for 6:30.
Fine. Which terminal are you flying from?
I think it is Terminal 2.
Let me check the airline. No, for that flight it is Terminal 3.
Terminal 3. Thank you.
How many passengers will there be?
2 passengers.
And how many large bags?
We have 2 large bags and 1 smaller suitcase.
So that is 3 bags in total.
Yes, 3 large bags is fine to write.
The standard fare to the airport is £46.
I saw an online discount. Does that apply?
Yes, with the online discount the fare is £44.
Good. £44.
May I have the pickup address?
It is 18, Cedar Road.
Did you say Cedar Lane?
No, Cedar Road. CEDAR.
Thank you. What is the postcode?
M21, 8QL.
M21, 8QL.
Correct.
Could I take a contact number?
It is 07835 714 905.
Let me repeat that. 07835 714 905.
Yes, that is right.
Your booking reference is A7364.
A 7364?
Yes. The driver will text you when the car is outside.
Excellent. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Northline Home Support. How can I help?
Hello. I am calling about a problem with an online order.
I am sorry to hear that. May I have the order number?
Yes, it starts with 72.
Is it 72 5814?
No, the last four digits are 5184.
Thank you. Order number 725184. What item did you order?
I ordered a desk lamp.
A desk lamp. What seems to be the problem?
The color is wrong. I ordered grey, but you sent blue.
I see. So the wrong color delivered was blue.
Yes, and the correct color should be grey.
We can send a replacement. The earliest delivery is Tuesday.
I am not at home on Tuesday.
In that case, Thursday is available.
Thursday is fine.
I can also add a small refund for the inconvenience. We usually offer £12.
The delivery was also late, so could the refund be a little higher?
Let me check. Yes, I can increase it to £15.
Thank you. £15 is fair.
I need to confirm the delivery address. Is it 41, Willow Street?
Yes, 41, Willow Street.
Did you say Willow or Wellow?
Willow. WILLOW.
Thank you. And the postcode?
LS9 for HT.
LS9, 4HT.
Correct.
May I have your contact number?
It is 07622 681 447.
Let me repeat that. 07622 681 447.
Yes, that is right.
Your case reference is C9251.
C9251?
Correct. You will receive a confirmation email this afternoon.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Riverside Bank appointments. How can I help?
Hello. I need to make an appointment at the bank.
Certainly. Is it about a loan, a mortgage, or an account?
I first wanted to ask about a small loan, but I actually need to open a savings account.
No problem. I will book a savings account appointment.
Thank you.
Which branch would you prefer?
The city branch would be easiest.
The city branch is fully booked this week. The north branch has appointments available.
The north branch is fine.
I can offer Tuesday morning.
I work on Tuesday. Is Thursday possible?
Yes, Thursday is available.
Good.
There is an appointment at 10:15.
I may not arrive by then.
The next time is 10:45.
10:45, so 10:45. That works.
Your advisor will be Ms. Patel.
Could you spell that, please?
Patel. Patel.
Thank you.
Please bring photo ID and proof of address.
Photo ID and proof of address. Fine.
May I confirm your home address?
It is 56 Brook Street.
Did you say Brick Street?
No, Brook. Brook.
Thank you. What is the postcode?
N16 5TY.
N16 5TY.
Correct.
And your phone number?
It is 07748 302 661.
Let me repeat that. 07748 302 661.
Yes, that is correct.
Your appointment reference is B4179.
B4179?
Correct. Please arrive 10 minutes early.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Greenway Sports Centre. How can I help?
Hello. I would like to register for a sports class.
Certainly. Are you interested in tennis, swimming, or fitness training?
I first thought about tennis, but I would like to join a swimming class.
Swimming. What level are you looking for?
I did some swimming last year, so maybe intermediate.
The intermediate class is for strong swimmers. I think the beginner class would be better if you are returning after a break.
All right. Please put me in the beginner class.
We have beginner swimming on Monday and Wednesday.
Monday would be best.
Monday is already full. There are still places on Wednesday.
Wednesday is fine.
The Wednesday class starts at 7:15 in the evening.
7:15. Good.
The course lasts for 8 weeks.
8 weeks. How much does it cost?
The full price is £65.
Do you offer a student discount?
Yes. With the student discount, the price is £58.
£58. That is fine.
The class is at Greenway Sports Centre.
Could you spell Greenway?
Greenway. Greenway.
Thank you. What is the postcode?
E12, 9LP.
E12, 9LP.
Correct. May I take your name, please?
My name is Omar Hussein.
And your phone number?
It is 07564 220 384.
Let me repeat that. 07564 220 384.
Yes, that is correct.
Your registration reference is S6348.
S6348?
Correct. Please bring your student card to the first class.
I will. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.